What's up? Today we are learning animal signs and I'm excited. Okay, the first is animal. 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 So you kind of have to move it because this is have, so definitely move it. Animal. Then the first sign for an animal is dog. The full sign is hitting your side and snapping, but I've also seen it evolve into just like a snap. And second one, if you don't like dogs or you're more of a cat person, cat. Cat is kind of like the whiskers of a cat. All right, the second one or third one is chicken, 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 chicken. And then the last one is fish, fish, fish. Oh, actually I have another one, shark, shark. All right, I hope this helps.